In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add clickable links inside Behance projects. Behance is a fantastic platform for showcasing your work, but did you know you can enhance your projects even further by adding interactive links? Let's dive in and make your Behance projects more engaging and informative for your audience. First, you'll want to head over to the Behance website. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and do so. You'll need access to your portfolio. Once logged in, you have a couple of choices. You can either create a new project or opt to edit an existing one. For this tutorial, we'll walk through how to edit an existing project, but the steps are similar if you're starting fresh. Navigate to your project dashboard and select the project you want to work on. Once you're in the project editor, it's time to get creative. First, click on the text tool to add some text to your project. This is where you'll be placing your clickable link. Type out the word or phrase that you want to turn into a hyperlink. Choose something relevant that will encourage your viewers to click through, perhaps an invitation to view more work or a related website. After you've typed your text, make sure you highlight it. This step is important as it tells the editor that you're about to perform an action on this specific section of text. With your text highlighted, look for the icon that resembles a chain link in the toolbar. This is your insert link button, and it's the key to adding your interactive element. Click on the chain icon and a pop-up box will appear, prompting you to enter the URL. Carefully paste the web address you want your viewers to be directed to when they click the link. Double check the URL to ensure it's correct. There's nothing worse than sending someone off to the wrong location. Once you're happy with the URL, hit Done to apply the link. Now that your link is embedded, you need to save your changes. If you're editing an existing project, be sure to click on Update Project to save your work. If it's a brand new project, you'll select Publish to make your project live with all its new interactive features. By doing so, you make sure all your hard work isn't lost and is available for your audience to enjoy. And that's it. You've now successfully added a clickable link to your Behance project. This small addition can significantly enhance the interactivity of your projects, guiding viewers to external resources, related work, or even your online store. Feel free to explore and add links wherever suitable to enrich the storytelling aspect of your portfolio. Thank you for watching, and happy linking.